What's up, everybody? Today we're back with another reset. We're doing a reset on an AT&T Motivate Pro 2 5G. So if you have one of these that you forgot the password or screen lock or pattern, you gotta do a hard reset with the buttons. This is how you do it. Just as always, a heads up, if you do this, you will delete all your data. So if you have anything important on the phone, you're gonna lose it. So just a heads up. So first we wanna turn off the phone so you have your volume buttons right here and the power button right there. That's volume up, volume down, and power. So we want to turn off the phone, which is a combination of volume up and power at the same time. Get the power button, turn it off. Cool. And then what we want to do is we want to hold the volume up, which is right here, and the power key. Once you see the logo come up, you can let go of the power key, but keep holding the volume up key. So holding volume up, power button. Turns on, let go of power. And you get this reset menu. The way you navigate it is with the volume button, and the way you select is with the volume button. So selecting volume down for recovery is what we would want. So we're going to hit volume down. And then it will take a second to load to the actual reset menu, which will be the next portion. All right, we're here, and we want to use the volume buttons to scroll. We want to get down to wipe data factory reset, hit enter. To hit enter would be the power button. And then want to confirm, hit the power button again for factory data reset. As you can see on the bottom, it's resetting. Now it's done. And we're gonna hit reboot system now. So you just hit the power button. And there it goes. And that was how easy it is to reset a Motivate Pro 2 5G from AT&T. If you guys have any questions, comments, you want to see a specific phone that you guys can't find a reset on, or anything else like that, just drop a comment, like, subscribe. I'd be more than happy to try to post that for you. I'll also be doing a few teardown videos and repair videos, so if there's something you guys are looking for, just let me know. Thanks.